Well, good morning. It's a hot, sunny day at Airkooled Kustoms. Let's go see what's going on. Alright.
Hello.
Hey. Shannon is troubleshooting.
Yep.
Knee deep in a super. What's going on, Rodney?
Not much.
Notice I don't ask you what you're up to anymore.
Oh.
It was like saying hey to Roger back in the day.
Paperwork at this point.
Oh, yay. Fun.
You missed the transmission tear down.
Oh, man.
Tore down all that transmission a little while ago.
Wow. Whose was this from?
Shoot. Mr. Shoot.
Okay. Which vehicle is that?
The dune buggy.
Oh, okay.
Blue dune buggy.
Wow.
Axle tubes and stuff are getting sent out to powder coat in blue.
Okay.
New transmission is already in transit. We shipped out Monday or Tuesday this week. So.
Wonderful. Is that coming from Mr. Walker?
Nope, it's not coming from Mr. Walker.
Oh.
It's coming from Krew out in Phoenix.
Oh, okay. Cool. Wow, the bus project that will never die. Oh, yeah, that's true. It's not as bad as Betty. It's coming. It's getting there. It's getting there. Hello.
Hi.
What are you up to?
411 sitting.
That's a good one. Everybody's a joker.
Everybody got joke.
Everybody got joke. All right, this is looking gorgeous.
I am just snowblind at this point.
I bet you are.
So they say black is the hardest color to do. It's actually white is the hardest color to do.
Oh, all right. I thought it was like whatever the current color is the hardest.
Well, you can't see anything.
Yeah.
It's like, because when you're doing the cut,
You
the
can't
camera
see it.
won't even pick it
No,
up.
it won't pick it up.
So I have little bits of shiny and then little bits of dull.
Yeah, you guys are not seeing, well, maybe you could see shiny and dull, but I know when you showed me like, oh, here's a sag, I'm like, if you say so.
Yeah, so it's like I'm pulling one more out right here, and it's just like, I can barely even see this thing.
It's almost a philosophical question. Is it harder to see nothing or harder to see everything?
Oh.
That's a good one.
Ooh, mate, I think that's the title of the video today.
Ah.
That's the title. Because I just came off doing black,
Right.
Ron's double cab for its final polish.
Yeah.
And
Everything's black and white at the shop today, huh?
pretty much. It's all black and white. Well, it's
Yeah.
like, look behind Stone. It's like, those are the last panels that I did. These guys install still.
Okay.
But it's like, we'll save those until it's like, it's ready to go on the truck.
Right. Yeah.
But, so I was doing that, and then I switched over to this, and it's
Are your eyeballs doing anything strange?
Not yet.
We got a close up on that.
Not yet.
so,
How about you, Mr. Stone? What are you working on?
RDC.
Yeah.
Thank
What are you
you.
doing to it though?
Reassembling it. 'Cause someone
Reassembling.
took it apart.
Dang.
why did someone take it apart?
Did it get shot.
Had to get reshot. Why'd it have to get reshot?
It wasn't good enough.
Wasn't good enough.
And it didn't cost the client anything, it cost us time,
Yeah.
effort,
Quality.
quality.
How many hours do you think you have in on
Oh,
RDC paint and
gosh.
polish? You guys should
I think
stand
you lost
together. It's
count.
very hard to
We're-
get both of you
we're-
here.
A couple hundred.
Couple hundred hours?
Yeah, I think we're probably approaching at least 500 hours on that paint.
500 hours?
Paint, polish, corrections, all of that stuff. So,
Wow.
and it's like,
I almost said a bad word.
And
Yeah.
client pays nothing.
yeah, it pays nothing. So it's
Right,
like,
rework,
the
yeah.
initial was
It's-
probably about 120 hours
Yeah.
for that paint
So
job.
if you were just a hobbyist, this would be like, oh, well, this is what I do. But
yeah, but
doing it, as part of a
This
business.
is the
Yeah,
second
well,
or
we-
third time we've reassembled this car.
yeah,
Wow.
it's the third time we've reassembled the car.
Does it go together easier each
No.
time?
No.
We do that. He's like, no.
But some cars, it's like they fight us, but not really fight us. And I think this one's fighting us because we're fighting with it. Is like we shot that a year ago was the initial shoot.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
You shot it like 6 months after I got here.
So it's been a while.
And I've been here 2.5 years.
Yeah. So it's like
So about the paint's about 2 years old.
yeah. So it's
Yeah, because we took it to Bugapalooza in like 2018.
something like that. So it's like I said, we just want it perfect or as perfect as we can make
That's
it.
all we're asking for. It's just perfection.
Yeah. So
You know.
Well, close enough to perfection.
Right.
so is it harder to see nothing or harder to see everything?
Good question.
All right.
So that's the question. of
So
the
you
day,
guys
folks.
will just have to vote on that. Leave your comment in the comments.
Yep,
Like,
and-
subscribe. What else should they do? Cluck like a chicken? Since we're
cluck like
giving
a chicken,
orders.
I don't care. Send us another stabilizer,
Oh yeah, the gimbal.
the gimbal.
I need a gimbal.
We need another gimbal.
Yeah.
So I can't see anything right now. Okay, it's like don't even have my glasses on because I don't even need them.
It's true.
They're holding my hair back.
It's like paint braille.
Yeah, it's like.
You look
And actually,
a little.
a lot of it is done by feel. It's like you can feel the drag of the paper as it goes across.
Yeah.
So.
You feel if it's catching or if it's not. Or
Right. Yeah.
So if it just got a nice, really nice grip, you're pretty close. So this one will get a high-end polish. This has got 3 different mica
Oh, I know.
frosts
I
in
wish
it.
I could show that.
Yeah, I don't
You have to
the
hurry up
camera.
and paint something that can go outside.
Grab that light.
I don't know if it's
Yeah, maybe
Back
not.
here.
Back there?
Yeah, because I haven't cut back there yet.
or most of it anyway.
Let's see if we can show this. Oh, it's so pretty.
So,
No,
you can't see
no,
it.
not at
Lights.
all. All it
so
did
it's
was
it's
two
like it's
lights.
got silver, blue, and white.
Oh,
mid-
there's a
mid
little
coat.
bit. We can see a little bit of the
So
sparkle.
we'll get this thing out in the sun probably next week.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's kind of
He's
work.
done doing his thing too.
So I'm going to be on this for at least the rest of this week and then part of next week.
All right.
And
Secondary bells.
then I think I'm working on. You and I are working on a bus next. Fetterman.
Oh joy.
Yes.
Oh, it needs a little paint, huh?
And it's got a lot of real estate, and we had to do a
Yeah.
lot of repairs to it. Came in almost ready for paint.
No.
It's been like what, 2 weeks in metal?
Yeah, 2 weeks in metal work.
Was
We
it
were.
the owner who did the work, or did he send it out somewhere and they
think
deemed
he
it ready,
bought it.
or?
I think he bought it
bought it
that
like
way,
that,
or he might have
yeah.
had some guy like working on it, but
Yeah,
it was
that
not good. If you
happens.
look back on our previous videos, you'll actually you can see. I don't remember which one it was, but we were actually showing lap welds versus seam
Oh
welds.
yeah, I
so-
remember that.
So
Yeah.
it's just we're trying to prevent rust, and when you do a lap weld, you're going to end up having a higher chance of rust.
Okay.
So it's like we can't stop the rust process; we can slow it down.
Yeah.
So,
So
it's
I mean,
all-
this is super common, right? People will think,
Oh yeah, it's ready
oh,
for
it's
paint.
ready.
Yeah,
And it's not like they're dumb or anything. It's just it's not.
It's
you
not
know,
near ready.
It's not near ready,
It's
and
like-
our standards are a little bit
I
higher.
mean, you know, we can buy 5 gallons of house paint if you want.
Oh.
So,
Oh, I think I've got like finger paints in the house.
There we go.
Yeah. Okay.
You do graffiti and stuff like that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, a cabinet full of spray paint.
That's true.
So upcoming events, October 12th here at the shop.
We've got our show.
Lowdown
in Dubtown.
And so O'Reilly's is going to be doing burgers and hot dogs for us, and
Nice.
it's going to go to
It's Train a Dog.
Train-
Train a Dog. Save a Warrior.
Yeah, Train a Dog Save a Warrior is a charity again this year, and they're doing good work with veterans coming back with PTSD
Yep.
and with dogs who actually need homes and
The match
need
made in
somebody
heaven.
to love,
Yeah.
somebody to take care of.
Who
So
don't?
we all love that. So I'm going to go back to not being able to see what I can't see and see everything at the same time. Whatever.
Okay. Well, have fun with that.
Buy my book.